Greetings. Is your walker too high, like for Jubilee here? Or maybe it's a little too low? How do you even know what the right height is? I'm Dr. Sean. I'm your PT guy, and our videos help you learn how to move better and stay independent so you can enjoy your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your walker so it's at the right height. Let's get started. Disclaimer! So the walker was way too high for my daughter Jubilee, and it's also too high for my wife.
It's almost as tall as she is.
It is. Look at that. It's almost to her nose. I see that. So it's too tall for my wife, and you can tell by too much bending in her elbow. So how do you fix this walker? How do you make it the correct height? Well, you use the wrist. Okay, you use the person's wrist. So you have someone stand up nice and tall by the walker, have them drop the arm down, and watch to see where the wrist comes. So this is significantly lower than the handle here. So we need to drop this walker down. So let me go ahead and drop that down probably about 2 or 3 notches. When you drop the walkers down for the height, they have these buttons right here. You see that button, Jubilee? Yeah. See it? Yeah. You want to try pushing it? Try. Push hard. Oh, you got a little bit. You're going to need some help, aren't you? No. Yeah? No? You got it? Okay, I got it. So you're going to need a little bit of help if you're Jubilee strength. But you push this button in and you slide it up. I'm going to do 3 notches, I think will do it. So on each of the legs, otherwise it'll be cattywampus. So make sure the numbers are all lined up there.
Now, do the numbers matter any way else?
You just want to make sure that the numbers are all the same when you're putting the legs together, but don't go by the height. Because it may say 5'6", 5'5", 5'4". They're not always that accurate. Just go by the wrist. So let's try this. So you're standing nice and tall. Drop your hand down. Look at that. Right on the spot. So go ahead and hold on to it. You got a little slight bend in your elbow. Go ahead and stand up nice and tall with both legs on the ground there. There you go. Perfect. Excellent. So that's how you adjust your walker to the right height. So you're safe and you don't have a fall. Right, Jubilee? Exactly. We do not want to have a fall. That's why I made a fall prevention guide. And you can download that for free at the link down below in the description. If you want more videos like this to help you learn how to move better and stay independent so you can enjoy your life, click the subscribe button down below and we'll see you in the next video.